Hello students, today I am going to show you how to download SAP ECC GUI software. Okay, so I have sent downloading link to your mail IDs. Just open the mail ID and click on the link what I have sent you, or else you can download the download icon button I have sent you your mail IDs. Okay, so you just download it. It will take much time to download depending upon your internet speed. Okay, here I have downloaded. So see, the downloading link will be sending to you to your respective mail IDs. Okay, fine. So here it is downloading, so it will take much time to download. Okay, once it is downloaded, you just click and open the downloaded folder here where it has been downloaded. So you will get the extracted zip file here. Right click on that zip file and extract it, and extract to SAP ECC GUI. Okay, so here it is extracting. It will take much time to extract because it is 1.1 GB. Okay, so once you extract it, you will find the extracted folder here. Okay, so you just open that SAP ECC GUI folder what you have extracted. Okay, you just double click on this to open, and open the first folder, and then open the first folder here again. So once you open it, you will find the GUI folder. Okay, so open the GUI folder, then open this Windows folder, then you need to open again this Windows 32 folder. So here you will find SAP GUI setup. Okay, so one file you will get it. You just right click on this file. So once you right click on this file, you will get run as administrator. You just click on this run as administrator button. So once you click on that, the one new window will open here, that is installer, that is front end installer of SAP. So once you open this, you will get an option here. It's installing. Okay, fine. See, you need to click on next here, then you need to check on all the boxes, 4 boxes we have. Okay, so once you check on all these boxes, just click on next button here. Okay, once you click on next, then again next, and it will start to install. Okay, so here it will take a few minutes to install. Be patient. Okay, so it has been finished here. Okay, once you install it, just close this. So whatever the installation you have done, that the shortcut icon of that SAP GUI software will get on your desktop screen. Okay, see here we have SAP logon. So you need to open this every time whenever you want to practice. You need to open. So here we are going to give server details. I am going to upload the server details here. The server details will be sending you to your respective WhatsApp number. Okay, individually you will get. So what you need to do, you need to click on this new button here to upload the new data of the server. So click on that, then click on next. So once you click on next, you will find the details, description. So all the details will be sending to you. So description, application server, instant number, and a system ID. So once you enter all these things, just click on next and finish it. Okay, so here already I have installed it. So what you need to do is, you need to click on that SAP. So description, whatever the description you are given na, that you will find it here. Okay, so once you open it, it will ask you the user and password. The user ID and password will be sending to you. Okay, so give that username and password and you will get it. Okay, so fine, thank you.